The Crosse Collaborative to End Homelessness has a new goal to help find permanent housing for the city's chronically homeless population. News 8's Madeline O'Neill can tell us about the plan to do so.
Martha, last winter, the collaborative met their first 100-day goal by finding housing for more than a dozen veterans, effectively ending veteran homelessness in the city. Now it's day one of a new 100-day sprint, and this time the group is focusing their efforts on those who are chronically homeless.
It's a crisis.
Kim Cable says just because dozens of people in La Crosse are growing used to living on our city streets.
People who have been long-time homeless in our community.
That doesn't make solving chronic homelessness any less urgent.
This is an emergency.
Cable, the Housing and Community Services Director for CAP, defines chronic homelessness as having some sort of disability that gets in the way of having permanent housing.
Whether it's mental health or a cognitive disability, substance use disorder.
She guesses there are about 50 to 60 chronically homeless people in La Crosse, which Captain Melby of the police department can attest to.
Over the years, we've had significant contact with many of these people.
Melby says the police department will be playing its role in the 100-day sprint.
We want to be there and be the doers in this group to help make sure that some of these systems can get changed and we can get service providers in contact with chronically homeless people and work with the chronically homeless to connect with the services.
Cable says another big goal is finding or creating local housing that's barrier-free.
For us, it's important to have housing that doesn't have a whole lot of rules, like, looking at people's backgrounds or rental histories or credit histories.
Cable and Melby agree a sense of urgency makes all the difference.
So if we don't mobilize our services and the resources that are available in the community and coordinate them like this is an emergency, there's a good chance that we're always going to have what we've got.
Cable says because this group is larger than the homeless veteran population was, it may not be possible to find housing for all of them within the 100-day sprint, which ends on July 28th. But that would, of course, be the best-case scenario in her mind.
Thanks a lot, Madeline. And also, starting in September, the group's third 100-day sprint will be focused on finding homes for homeless families with children by Christmas.